One lawmaker reveals that some questionable flood control projects are part of the Executive Department's own budget proposal. Here's the report.
On August 13, Malacanang submitted to Congress the proposed 2025 National Expenditure Program, the government's budget blueprint for the year, laying out projects of various agencies. For the Public Works Department, officials says these projects had already been reviewed and vetted by their experts, meaning the spending items were legitimate and justified. But when President Bongbong Marcos revealed alleged ghost flood control projects, the House Infrastructure Committee discovered that some of these questionable projects actually came from the executive's own proposals.
Pagka sinabi ho natin NEP-originated projects, ito po ay pinopose po mismo ng DPWH. Ito po yung sinasabi ni Secretary Bonoan na fully vetted ng feasibility studies. At ito po yung actually sinusuportahan po niyang tipo ng mga proyekto po. Kahit po mga NEP-originated projects, supposedly fully vetted, ay nasa-subject pa rin po to ghost projects, substandard projects ng ilan pong mga kontratista.
Committee co-chair Terry Redon even presented a line item from the NEP, a 60 million peso reinforced concrete river wall in Baliwag, Bulacan, one of the very projects inspected by the President. Documents show the project was assigned to the Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office, with SYMS Construction Trading as a contractor awarded a 55.7 million peso contract. Redon stressed that accountability should not stop at district or regional offices, as this could reach all the way up to the DPWH Secretary.
We will see kung ano ho yung level ng kanya pong responsibility. Pero again, kung ina-admit niya halimbawa na meron pong failure to check at the level of the central office or at the level of the regional director, there is ultimate responsibility on the Secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, however, countered that while he holds command responsibility, authority has long been delegated to district and regional offices.
Well, I think the command responsibility, of course, I am on top of the entire agency, but there are authorities that has been delegated to the district offices and the regional offices. So we'll look into that. Well, they'll have to establish my liability kung ano pong nangyayari po doon.
Bonoan also insisted he did not benefit from any of the infrastructure projects.
Absolutely on my part. No. I don't even have to tolerate this. I don't tolerate this kind of attitude.
The DPWH chief has since ordered the preventive suspension of several district engineers linked to the anomalies.